Niall Motormouth Jenkins here, welcoming you to our brand new YouTube channel. Hope that you'll come back and see every segment each and every week, and I will share preventative maintenance tips and regularly scheduled maintenance tips for your car. So whether you know a little bit about your car or absolutely nothing, this is the channel just for you, where I share over 35 years of experience as a qualified and licensed service technician with truck and coach, light truck and passenger vehicles. Come back and visit us and tell your friends, and we'll see you each and every week right here in the Car Connection Workshop on YouTube.
Hey, welcome Car Connection friends to the Car Connection Workshop. Your host, Niall Motormouth Jenkins, on my stool at my bench again to teach you a couple of things in this video. Always 5. Remember what it is, where it is, how it works, how it breaks, and what could you have done differently to have prevented spending money on repairs that you may not necessarily have needed. Preventative maintenance is the key if you're interested in saving money and owning an automobile. I know it's a love-hate relationship, trust me. 40 some odd years as a service technician. I don't even like spending money on my own vehicles, but you know what? I don't like paying interest and monthly payments. So how do you do that? How do you keep an older vehicle going? Preventative maintenance. Service, service, service. If you're one of those people who say, well, I don't drive it much, your vehicle is in what we call severe service category. If you drive little, you need to do more service, not less, because things wear out, rust out, and fall apart because of lack of use. And that is so true. So if you're a person that owns a vehicle but doesn't drive much every year, you need to ramp up your service schedule, not less. Vehicles are not maintenance free. And this morning we're going to do just a quick follow-up here on cabin air filters. Again, not all vehicles have one, but you need to find out if your particular vehicle does. And if it does, I wanted to share this with you. Now, no, Wix does not pay for our videos and does not spiff me in any way, shape, or form. I've just known the product brand for so many years, I can count on it. I just got this filter, cabin filter for the 2008 Nissan Rogue, and I just cleaned out the cavity that this filter was in. These are not just a pretty little cutesy-wootsy little filter. I wanted to read right from the box, and I haven't seen this on the box. And I've changed a few of these this year on my own vehicles. If I have to go in and check to see if it's good, I need to change it. That's my point. Need to change it. Now enhanced with Microban antimicrobial product protection. Cabin filters are not just a pretty little cutesy-wootsy. Again, if you watch the video we just filmed about the rear parking brake, that they're not necessary, right, guys? Because we have an automatic transmission. Honey, we don't need to worry about that. Well, if your vehicle has a cabin filter and you have allergies, or you have someone in the family that might have cardiovascular issues, breathing issues, asthma, or other, this needs to be clean. Antimicrobial product protection. This is not just a filter, it's a HEPA filter. It's treated with antimicrobials because this is filtering out bacteria. Bacteria, which equals spores, and viruses, all kinds of things. So it needs to be monitored. There's no service light going to come on when this thing's plugged. And in this particular vehicle, I was able to measure the airflow, and I could tell the airflow was not where it should be on high speed. And that's because the filter is full. You say, well, there's no junk in there. Well, I banged most of it out. But you see this gray stuff? That's all outside air coming inside the cabin. So it's laden with bacteria. And it's not something, fellas, you blow out with your air gun, because when you do that, you tear the fabric, but you're not getting rid of the microbes. There is a lot of product in here, wherever you look. Just peel it open. You'll find, I banged most of it out, and I'll tell you, the cavity this came out of was plugged solid with leaves and outside debris. So keep in mind, if you have a cabin air filter that's restricted, you're causing more electric pressure on your fan motor because our vehicles have HVAC systems. A lot of homes have a HEPA filter in your furnace, and you got to change it for the same reason. It's gathering up all kinds of viruses and bacteria, and then you yourself are now breathing, get this, concentrated levels of bacteria. So if you or somebody you know is in the vehicle with you and you have a filter in this condition, you're breathing, both of you or all of you are breathing concentrated levels of bacteria. That's not healthy. Not healthy. Again, antimicrobial product protection. It's not just a filter. This thing is a health and wellness device in your vehicle to purify the air that's circulating in the cabin area. So if you have pets, you have hair on your head, hair on your body, there's dander, and it gets trapped in here as well, and it becomes bacterial, a bacterial problem. So I wanted to just share that with you, how important that is. Again, not all vehicles have a HEPA filter, but this 2008 Nissan Rogue has a HEPA filter, and this thing's been in there way too long. This has been replaced before, and I know that because I recognize the manufacturer written right on the end of it. It's a Napa Pro Select filter. So it has been replaced at some point, and now I've replaced it again, but I like the Wix filters. They stay well ahead of the curve when it comes to technology. So make sure you have your service tech verify for you, or your selling dealer, or wherever you take your vehicle for service, does my vehicle have a cabin air filter? And if the answer is yes, don't ask them to check it, ask them to change it. Because chances are it's probably been in there for way too long. And we need to make sure that we clean out the cavity that the filter goes into. I think I sucked up a Pomeranian when I was in there. Yeah, I heard this big belch in my vacuum. I'm going, well, whatever that was, I don't want to know. It's in the vacuum cleaner now, but it's all cleaned out and a new filter in there. And let me tell you, you can really hear and feel the difference in airflow. So a restricted cabin airflow could end up burning out your blower motor on your vehicle. And some of these blower motors are not easy to access, so that's extensive labor. And number two, that blower motor could be as high as $400 because you're not changing the cabin air filter. So till next time, have fun, keep it under 100. Don't forget to like, share, and follow on our Facebook, where you'll see reels and videos you won't see anywhere else. That's at Niall Motormouth Jenkins. And follow us, like, follow, share, and comment your comments below in our video. And our videos, we have over 103 videos now, Skippy. It's happening. We got something going on. So also remember to subscribe. And Stevensvilleontheweb.ca. Click the businesses tab to find us there. You'll see bloopers and outtakes you won't see anywhere else. And get your Car Connection merch and show it off. Visit our website, carconnectionbusinessnetwork.com, or ccbusnet.com is a short version. Top right-hand corner, your other right, you'll see YouTube, Facebook, and our merch store, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you enjoyed the video, like I know you did, ring the notification bell.
Well, thank you for stopping by the Car Connection Workshop right here on YouTube. Don't forget to come back and join us for another segment. So like, share, tag, and follow, and ding that bell so that you don't miss a single edition of Car Connection. So till next time, keep it under 100 and put the coffee on, because we're coming to your house.